Synthetic biology is called the engineering of biology. I like to think of it as building new things with biology. It takes the information that we've gathered over many years in lots of biological sciences and then says, well, what new things can we build with these elements?
You know, synthetic biology isn't just one discipline. At UCL you've got people using yeast, you've got people using algae, and people who are great bacteriologists like John, people who use E. coli, people who are using all of these host strains, but also people who are doing enzyme evolution, protein design, and then you can marry that in this department with the engineering.
Well, I think that the 21st century is becoming the century of biology, where our understanding of biology is going to enable us to do many of the things that we now do with chemical processes. So somebody studying synthetic biology will actually enter into a field that is going to explode, I think, across the world and become one of the major ways that we make all our products in the future.
You know, with biology there's still mysteries out there, still things we don't know how it works.
It's a new approach that will let different industries to develop new tools.
It's very important to have the emphasis on novel research because it is a new subject and people have to learn hands-on at the bench to carry out these different ways of manipulating the genes, the circuits and the biology. And the intensive laboratory projects that the students carry out are really the central core of the program.
Now I'm working in engineering of protein that binds DNA naturally.
I'm trying to engineer new coli-1 type origins.
In the Department of Biochemical Engineering we have access to very well found and resourced molecular biology labs, we have advanced robotics, we have a lot of analytical equipment so we can study both the small molecules and the large molecules that we're making. And we have a pilot plant where people can then take the constructs that we've made at the bench and actually put them into fermenters to see how they would scale up and tell us whether they would be able to be grown in industry.
You know, I can't think of a technique that you might want to practice in biology or biochemistry that they don't have the machine for. Of course, we've got great collaborations with the London Centre for Nanotechnology and with chemistry as well, so those things are there.
The MRes will qualify students to be able to go and work in the growing number of small companies engaged in synthetic biology both here in London and across the UK and the world. There are many large companies that are building their own synthetic biology potential. Large companies have got synthetic biology groups and some of our students are now working in those. Our students go on often to do further research in PhDs and NGDs and to go abroad to companies and to research institutes across the world.